Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the time frame on TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open the TradingView chart, and to change the time frame, we have two options. So the first option is this one. Go to this icon here. You will see 1 minute. So this time frame is the 1 minute. So click on it, and as you can see here, we have multiple ones. So let's say you want to change it to 5 minutes. As you can see, we have now the time frame now is on 5 minutes. Let's say you want to change it to the 15 minute, and as you can see, the same thing. So the second option is just go to your keyboard and type the number of the time frame you want. So let's say I want to change it from the 15 minute to the 1 minute. So just click on 1 on your keyboard and click on enter. As you can see, the time frame has changed it to the 1 minute. So let's change it to the 5 minute, the same thing. I think that you get the idea. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.